Hapdeng gejing dawa babun ban wengkam mi kipulet kibran khati ban siat yap yu let pa cheers to thank you Jones Kati barim ka Chelsea umirang ba kajalau konrad ki sangma ulong ba hab ban ïaishah bat up ya ka kaiphod jong ka Judicial Enquiry abakran hakila pathai kubor hadin ke jelang joki kenhun ki MLA ka sarkar MDA konrad ulong ba kamlong ka basongnya ban pengat kendon yunu kat ba kampat don ka jing token.
No, we have been very clear from day one that there is an inquiry that's going on, and when the inquiry is going on, we have to wait for the inquiry's results to come out and what the inquiry will bring out. It is completely unfair for us to take action against anybody without a proper inquiry and finding out who the responsible people are. So therefore, it is not possible for us to say that who will be responsible or not. And that's the reason why we have instituted this inquiry, so that the truth can come out. And therefore, all the people who are demanding this, I would urge them that you should be patient. You should wait for the inquiry to be completed. And the government has already mentioned, the Home Minister has already mentioned, that we will act firmly on the basis of the judicial inquiry that comes in.